Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Kiwi, better known as Kiwi Howard, here on YouTube and in real life. So today I'm sharing with you guys some super easy 100% vegan meals. These meals are stuff that you can just make out of the comfort of your home. It is super affordable. Everything in here are just really easy affordable meals right now, and they're so tasty. They're so tasty. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every single time I upload. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright, so first up is a fruit and nut bowl. This is perfect for breakfast or either if you want to have like a little snack. So we're going to start off with a banana, and you just want to go ahead and use a whole banana. But if you guys are just eating this as a snack, then you want to do half of the fruit that I'm doing. But because I'm doing this as breakfast, I decided to do the whole banana. I'm also going to do blueberries. I love blueberries, so I put about 2 handfuls of blueberries, and I had a little bit of watermelon left, so I just put all of this watermelon in here. And then pineapple. I love pineapple. Fresh pineapple is so much better than canned pineapple. So the pineapple that I get is just whole pineapple, but my dad cuts it, and he always cuts it in circles. So I just took like one of those circles and cut it up. And then I added in 2 strawberries, and I just cut these strawberries into 4s, so it looks like I have a lot more strawberries, but I don't. Then I'm going to add in some chia seeds, and then you want to finish it off with some mixed nuts. Now the mixed nuts that I get are from Walmart up front by the fruit and produce section, and you just want to sprinkle these on here. These are just so much better. They don't have any oils or anything like that in them. But yeah, this is the finished bowl, and it is so delicious. Alright, so next up we're making homemade ramen noodles, guys, and it is so good. It is so much healthier for you, and if you're keto or paleo, then this is going to be a noodle that you can eat, and it is so delicious. So yeah, so for this you're going to need some pasta zero. This is what makes it keto and paleo. These are really low in carbs, and this is what is going to pretty much help you if you're on like that keto or paleo diet. We're gonna make our own broth, but to make it we're gonna need this vegan chicken seasoning salt. It's the key to making it taste like ramen. And then if you want to add in meat, you can, but I decided to add in kimchi because I'm keeping it vegan. So you want to go ahead and cook up the kimchi. Just add a little bit of oil to your pot. Add in about 2 spoonfuls of kimchi. It is so good, and it gives like a really nice crunch to your noodles. While you are cooking down the kimchi, you want to go ahead and make your broth. So I'm going to use the vegan chicken seasoning. You want to add 2 1/4 of teaspoons to some water, 2 cups of water, and mix it up. And you just want to go ahead and mix it up until all of the clumps are gone out of it, and that is pretty much your broth. It is that easy, and it is so good. So then you want to go ahead and pour it into your kimchi, and then just kind of bring it to a boil. And while you are waiting on this to boil, you can go ahead and start prepping your noodles. Because these noodles are wet, you want to go ahead and put them in a strainer and then rinse them under cold water for a while. And once you finish rinsing them off, you want to go ahead and add them to a cutting board. They are like really long, so I like to cut mine, but you don't have to. I just prefer to cut mine. And then these noodles are super bland. Like when I say bland, they have no flavor. So you just add a little bit of that vegan chicken. So you can add any seasoning right here. I just went ahead and added this because I like the way it tastes. Then you want to go ahead and add this to the boiling water, and the boiling kimchi. And I wanted mine to have like a little cheesy flavor, so I added a little bit of nutritional yeast. You don't have to, but I just added a little bit, and mine just gives a really nice cheesy flavor. But pretty much you want to let it cook down, and it is starting to look like this. Mix it up really good, and then you want to plate it up. I let mine cook for about 5-6 minutes, and yeah, and then it's ready to go. These noodles are so much better for you. They don't have as many carbs. They don't have as much sodium as the regular noodles do. And it's just such a good and easy meal. If you want to make this kind of like a meal prep, I would suggest to make the broth and then make the noodles separately. Don't make it together. Like, don't put it together, because even though the noodles are already wet, it can get a little soggy. Moving on to the next one. So these are my vegan quesadillas, guys, and I'm gonna tell you, once you try this, you're gonna thank me later. Okay, thank me now, because these are so good. These are so good. Okay, so to start off, you're gonna need some carb balanced tortillas. I'm not keto, but I still eat a lot of keto friendly foods, and these are keto friendly. Then you want to add in some vegan cheese. These are so good, it melts down like cheese and it tastes just like cheese. And then you want to add some black beans, and I forgot to show you guys this, but the corn and red onions are also going to be needed in this. But you just want to go ahead and start cooking it up. Add a little bit of the black beans and cook it down, and you just want to pretty much kind of dry it out. Pretty much that's kind of what you're doing, but you just want to mix it until it starts to look mixed together like this. Then you want to warm up your tortilla and add your cheese to your tortilla. Add the filling and then flip it over, press it down, cut it up, and it's that simple. That simple, guys, and it is so good. And I mean, just look at how good it looks. It is so good. Like, it's cheesy and just goodness, and I just love it. Alright, so this next one is like one of my favorites. It doesn't look very appetizing, but it is so good. Everybody that I let taste this salad is like, this salad is so good. It is really that good. Alright, so let's get into what you're gonna need here. So I like to use romaine lettuce. That's just my preference, but you can use any kind of lettuce that you want to use. I just like romaine. You're gonna need some red onions, some black beans. I like to use organic, but they're out, so had to get what I can take. Had to take what I can get. And then blue corn tortillas are a key here, guys. Key. They're so much better for you, and you want to make sure that you get this Stella Press kind, an organic kind. Then you're definitely gonna need some corn and these bacon pieces. Yes, you heard me right. These are not bacon. These are actually made from soy, but they're so good, so I like to put them in my salad. And then for my dressing, I like to use Catalina. It's just one that I like to eat in salads. So pretty much you want to add your onions, you want to add your corn, and you want to add your black beans to the pot and cook it up. And I pretty much just put the extra black beans in like a bowl and make like a corned bean salsa that I love to eat. So yeah, but you want to go ahead and cook this up until it starts to look dry like this, and then prep your salad. So I add the romaine lettuce, super good, and then add in the mixture. You can add it in hot, it doesn't matter, it's not going to mess up anything. Then you want to take your blue corn chips, crunch them up. Again, it is very important that you get blue corn here, because blue corn is so much better for you. And I like to use the On the Border or Over the Border brand. They were out, so I ended up getting these, but these are just as good. And then you want to add in your bacon bits or your soy bits, and then your salad dressing. Now this is key. This is key right here. Put a lid on, shake it up. I added not enough dressing, so I had to add some more. But normally I put enough and then shake it up some more. And it is so good. Like, so good, guys. Like, you can thank me later, because you're going to love this. You are going to love this salad. It is so good. So the last meal is really easy. You can actually substitute vegetables here. Like, it is just, anybody can make this. So easy, and it's so good. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this is some rice. I like to get my rice from Trader Joe's in the box. In the frozen section that you warm up in the microwave, some broccoli, asparagus, and a plantain. This is actually my first time ever cooking a plantain, but it turned out so good. So yeah, it's just so good together, like really good. And it's simple. All you do is cook up your broccoli and your asparagus together. I fried up the plantains in some olive oil, and then warmed up the rice in the microwave, added it out to the bowl, and it was just that easy. Like, that easy. I did add a little bit of seasonings to the broccoli and the asparagus. I added garlic powder and onion powder, and that was it. But it turned out super good, guys, and it was just so filling, and it was so tasty. So tasty. But like I said, you can substitute the vegetables. You don't have to use these vegetables. Alright, guys, so those are all of the super easy, affordable vegan meals that I wanted to share with you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every single time I upload. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.